Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Gordon Frayne and today we are showing you a tutorial on how to buy USDT on Binance. So USDT is the Tether, US dollar Tether stablecoin, and there's a myriad of different reasons why you might need to buy this cryptocurrency, and we're going to show you exactly how to do that today. As always, before we jump into the topic, please make sure to smash the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Hit that subscribe bell icon as well. We are on the road to our first 1,000 followers. You're going to want to get notified, so hit the notification icon also so that you can stay up to date with all the latest moves in the cryptocurrency space and hit your cryptocurrency goals. So how do you buy USDT on Binance? Well, it's pretty straightforward and we're going to show you exactly how to do it. But of course, the first thing you need is a Binance account. You may already have one if you're looking to do this anyway, but you need to come over to Binance.com, sign up or sign in to your Binance account so that you are ready to purchase USDT. Now, the second prerequisite is that you need to have funds in your account. So if you do not have any fiat currency or any cryptocurrency, you're going to need to deposit funds. So you can click on the deposit button and then you can either deposit cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, Ethereum, etc. from a different wallet into your Binance account, and you can do that by generating a wallet address in here and sending those funds to Binance. Or the second option would be to set up a bank deposit where you send money directly from your bank account into Binance with a wire transfer or a SEPA transfer and have it arrive in your Binance account in 1 to 2 business days. So once you do that, your funds will arrive in your spot wallet. Again, we're going to assume that you've already got some money in your spot wallet. You may have transferred US dollars or euros into your Binance account, and now you want to know how to buy USDT. So you're going to come over to your spot wallet within the Binance platform, and it's going to open up your dashboard here to show you all the different assets that you have in your wallet. We can see USDT is here. We've got our balances hidden for now, but basically you might be someone who has just transferred euro, for example, into your Binance account and you want to convert that into USDT. It doesn't matter whether it's euro, whether it's Bitcoin, or whether it's US dollar. The easiest way to convert euro and buy USDT is to click on the convert button over here beside the other token or whatever token it is that you want to convert or transfer into USDT. So when you click on the convert button, it brings up the conversion tool here. And basically what we're saying is we have €1 and we want to convert this into USDT. So we select USDT from our dropdown. It'll show us our exchange rate, which is equal to €1 is 1.088 USDT. We click on convert and it shows us the actual conversion. Once again, it's set up. It gives us 4 or 5 seconds to confirm. So we click on confirm conversion. And as simple as that, the trade has been confirmed. We will receive 1.088 USDT for our €1. And then we can click OK, or we can click on convert again to convert any more euro into USDT. But it really is as straightforward as that. Your wallet will reload. You will see your USDT balance has increased by 1.088 or whatever the conversion rate is at the time of your conversion. You can then from here, you can obviously use that USDT to purchase other assets, or maybe the reason that you wanted to convert into USDT in the first place was so that you can transfer it out of Binance. You can withdraw it to possibly another wallet to use elsewhere for staking, purchasing other assets, or simply just holding it in a stable coin like USDT. So obviously, leveraging stable coins like USDT is a very important part of, taking profits when you're trading, as well as taking profits as your bull run bag begins to increase in value. You're going to want to be leveraging stable coins. You're going to want to be laddering out of your cryptocurrency positions, taking profits and converting them into something more stable like USDT. So that is probably the reason why you're watching this video, and that is exactly how you do it. So again, it does not matter if you're converting it from euro or if you're converting it from something else. You can simply click on the convert button, select the the asset that you want to exchange for USDT, search for USDT, denote the amount that you want to exchange, click on convert, and it will do it straight away. So that is how to purchase USDT on the Binance Exchange. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please make sure to drop a thumbs up on it below. Smash that subscribe button. We're on the road to our first 1,000 subscribers. And hit the bell notification icon so you can get updated with all the latest crypto content and hit your crypto goals. As always, we will catch you in the next one.